Middle East has always been mysterious to us. A place of unexplored wonders that we had never experienced before. We wanted to discover its true nature, understand its people and culture, to demystify the fascinating charm of the Orient. I remember the story my grandmother told me long ago about a unique Hashemite kingdom where thermal springs flow through dry mountain landscapes. There you find a sea that divides nations, and it is impossible to sink in, she said. When you go south, you will find a land that stretches out before you in a unique desert. You will encounter people with warmth, hospitality, and a strong sense of community. They embrace their homeland as their companion, guide, and provider.
الله أكبر الله أكبر أشهد أن لا إله إلا الله أشهد أن
When I compare my grandmother's story to ours, I find the parallels. Drawing out the unclear phrases finally cleared the missing gaps in her experience. But we discovered our own journey, different from hers, with new adventures, trying to face the way of life in this extraordinary land. Probably fully understanding would take years. but with a good starting point you can acquire a lot.